Welcome to my channel. Now in this video, we're going to walk through on how to install Stable Diffusion version 2.1, which is the latest version. Now before we can install and run Stable Diffusion 2.1, you will need to have the original version of Stable Diffusion installed. In my earlier video, I've shown an easy guide on how to install Stable Diffusion totally new. You can refer to the guide at the link in the description below. Before we proceed on with the installation and setup, let us check through what are the changes that this Stable Diffusion 2.1 has. One of the major changes in this new release is the quality result, which is very much better than the earlier version. You can check through the descriptions of the updates in the website, which will give you all the list of the major updates. Now let's get started. Let's go to Stable Diffusion 2.1, which you can find the link at the description below. There are several models available. Choose the one which is named Non-EMA Pruned. Double click on it and then click on Download link. Download it into your own model Stable Diffusion folder. Next, you need to get the YAML file, which you can find the link at the description below. Now here, there are several versions of inference YAML file. The one that you need to get is the version 2 inference v.yaml. You can try right-click and save as YAML file into your folder, but it may not work correctly as it may be as .txt file. So another method is to click on the YAML file and click on raw to open the content of the YAML file. Then right click and save page as into the model Stable Diffusion folder. After you have downloaded the inference YAML file, go to the model Stable Diffusion folder and change the file name to the same model file, which is 768 non-EMA. Copy the file name of the model and paste the YAML file name. Make sure you have both the model file name and the YAML file name together. Next, head over to the program file. In the folder, find a file named webui-use.bat. You need to edit the file and make some adjustment. Make sure the set command line arguments is as indicated on the screen. If there are additional parameters, remove them. Then save the changes. Once all is done, you can now double click on webui-use.bat to run Stable Diffusion. Now Stable Diffusion will run all the necessary installations on your PC, and it may take some time. Once installation is completed, you see the word running on local URL. Then head over to a browser and type in the URL. Once successful, you see the page as displayed. Now at the top left hand corner, you can select the new model file which was just installed. Alright, let's do some tests. Let's generate some images from Last of Us TV series and see how they looks like. It will take a couple of seconds to fully render. Alright, the rendering is completed and the pictures turned out to be pretty well. So now you have your own Stable Diffusion 2.1 version that you can play with. If in any event you face any difficulty in installation, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.